Hey everyone, let's talk about something that affects each and every one of us: limiting beliefs. These are deeply held convictions that constrain us in some way. By believing them, we end up diminishing ourselves and our ability to achieve our goals or live fully. They often stem from early life experiences, cultural conditioning, or negative encounters. Think about those times you've thought, I'm not good enough, I can't do this, or I don't deserve success. These beliefs can be about ourselves, our relationship, or the world at large. They limit our actions, behaviors, and the opportunities we're willing to take. So, how do you identify these limiting beliefs? Here are a few strategies you can use. First, self-reflection and journaling. Pay attention to recurring patterns in your life. If you consistently avoid opportunities to advance in your career, it might be linked to a limiting belief about your capabilities. Keep a journal of your thoughts and emotions. When you notice negative thoughts, write them down and look for patterns. If you often write about fear of failure, this may indicate a limiting belief about needing to always succeed. Second, mindfulness and observation. Practice mindfulness to become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. When a negative thought arises, rather than dismissing it, probe deeper to understand its origin. Observing your thoughts without judgment can help you identify and understand your limiting beliefs. Third, feedback from others. Sometimes it's hard to see the patterns in our own behavior that are clear to others. Asking trusted friends, family, or colleagues about what they perceive as your self-imposed limitations can provide valuable insights. Fourth, identifying emotional reactions. Strong emotional reactions to specific situations are often indicators of underlying limiting beliefs. If you feel unusually anxious about speaking up in meetings, you might hold a belief that your opinions are not valuable. Fifth, analyzing successes and failures. Reflect on past experiences, especially failures. Consider the explanations you give yourself about these failures. If your explanations often blame innate and unchangeable aspects of yourself, they likely reflect limiting beliefs. Also, examine your successes. Sometimes dismissing or rationalizing successes, I just got lucky, can also highlight a limiting belief about your abilities. By identifying and addressing your limiting beliefs, you open the door to a more empowered and fulfilling life. It's about challenging these old convictions and consciously choosing to adopt more positive and supportive beliefs that align with your goals and values. Thanks for watching, and remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. Take care.